are literally the vitamins that I take every single day. Never fail like clockwork. And I'll tell you what each of these vitamins does for me. This is vitamin D3. This is essential for me because I live in upstate New York where we do not have sun for like 7 months out of the year. This is liquid biotin. We all know what biotin does. And what I have found is that the liquid biotin in this form, in a liquid, does not break my skin out. So in the past, I have taken biotin, and I've always had an issue with my skin as soon as I start taking it, probably about a week in. But when I switched to the liquid form, completely gone, no more skin issues. And so I was able to up my dosage to the extra strength, which is, let me see, I think this is like, yes, the 10,000 mcgs every single day. And what I do is I put it under my tongue for faster and better absorption, and I let it sit for 30 seconds. And this is outstanding for hair growth and hair thickness and hair strength. So again, if you're having issues with skin breakout from biotin, definitely give this a try. And I got this off of Amazon. I also take selenium, and I take 200 mcgs a day. And it's not safe to take more than 200 mcgs, but what selenium does is this is actually a mineral, and it's a vitamin that's found naturally, like in Asia and the Middle East and India, and that's what gives them such strong hair. It's in their soil naturally when they grow their vegetables and things like that. So that's why they have that long, thick, shiny hair, is from selenium. So out in the Western world, like in US, we don't have the same source of selenium. We have to eat selenium-rich foods. So that's why it's totally safe for us to add an additional 200 mcgs a day with a supplement, because we don't get as much as other parts of the world. Again, I swear by this for hair thickness. Absolutely swear by it. This is just a total, just your average multivitamin. I take it because it has iron and, everything else like that I need every day. And then I also take vitamin B12 in a pretty high dose, 5,000 mcgs, and I actually take 2 every single day. And I suffer from an extreme severe case of dermatitis in my scalp, or AKA cerebrum dermatitis or psoriasis. And knock on wood, I've read somewhere that B12 deficiency can cause that. So since about June, I have been taking these faithfully. And again, knock on wood, I'm gonna knock 100 times. It has completely reduced my dermatitis by at least 95%. And other remedies I've used, and this is how dermatitis usually manifests itself, that horrible monster of dermatitis, is that you'll try something new, it'll work for a while, but the dermatitis always comes back. But when I started taking faithfully every day 10,000 mcgs of B12, since June, late June, early July, I have not had a single solitary flare-up with my dermatitis, thank God. So these are my staples every day, right? I would probably forget to dress myself in the morning before I would forget to take these vitamins. These are essential to me every single day.